So how's it going, everybody? Just want to take a minute and thank everybody for the prayers and stuff for my brother. I just got back Sunday, and so after about 12 hours of sleep, I'm up and rolling again. But I appreciate all the prayers and stuff, and it's going to be a trying time a little bit, but we'll make it through. And also for everybody else, yes, I saw the video yesterday of Tony Neutral dropping slag hammer. Happy 4th. So anyway, as y'all know, I just got finished doing my shop, making it bigger. And now it's time to get a vehicle in here and get it worked on. If y'all remember a while back, I worked on a 97 Astro Van. It has some fuel line issues, a fuel pump issue, and of course the van was nicknamed Candy. So anyway, Candy's going to be coming back over today. After I got done with her, I put a couple gallons of gas in it, drove around the block, gave it back to him. He drove it for a few days. Well, he decided to fill it up, and when he filled it up, he got over to where their shop is and parked it on an incline a little bit where the driver's side was kind of hanging down. It started gushing gas out. Come to find out that the filler neck is rusted out going into the hose. Well, when I originally pulled the gas tank out and to do the fuel pump and stuff, I disconnected the hose from the tank, not from the filler neck. So I never even thought about even looking at that because there was no issues of supposedly gas leaking out from there. So, and my thing is, if it's not broke, don't fix it. And as rusted as underneath this van was, I really didn't want to disturb a lot of stuff. So anyway, he let Ethan know one day, and so I went online looking for a new filler deck for this thing, and finally found one through Rock Auto. They only had one left in stock. So I got it last Tuesday, but with everything going on, Brad with his work and everything, so the van didn't get here until Wednesday, and originally I was going to work on it Thursday, but things came up and I had to go to Oklahoma. So today's Monday. Like I said, once again, happy 4th of July to everybody. And so today I'm going to get my mind back on track and go ahead and get this van knocked out. And like I said, one of the few places I could find it was Rock Auto and get it here in a timely manner. So here it is. The replacement for 97 Astro. And there's not a lot of these around that go into a pull apart. So it's brand new. So I'm gonna get the van over here and we're gonna take the old one out. I'm gonna show you how rusted that one is. And we'll get the new one in. This is Candy, in case y'all don't remember her. Let's have some fun. All that's got to come undone. We got 2 screws in here to hold the neck to the cover, and hopefully they're not rusted to the filler neck. So far, so good. Let's see what all we're gonna need over here. This is what's got to come out. And you can see the moisture and stuff there going on the neck. But let's see how our filter and stuff is doing that we put in. Looks like all that's doing pretty good. Get this thing out, and hopefully that bolt up in there I can get out without breaking it. Go ahead and get this whole thing out. So I got some wiggle room, because inside that filler cap there's a hose that extends out another 6 or 8 inches. Off before, because we got a flat head. Hope I can get it out. There we go, because the head of it's messed up. What did I do with my screwdriver? Really should be wearing safety glasses on the road. All right, got it out. Got the old one out, and you can see here where it was rotted out at, so the fuel was getting through there, and it looked like somebody tried to tighten the clamp up. That didn't work, but I mean, it's like nothing but rust. But looks like the new one's gonna be a perfect fit. And we'll get that one in. But man, yeah, you can see it, man. Just flake it off. The little PD blaster on here helps slide that hose back on. See if we can get her in there without too much difficulty, hopefully. Make sure she's on all the way. Now, this one here is a little different than the OEM. On the OEM one, I know you can't see it from here, but it had a second thing over here. We wouldn't go too far past. This one doesn't have it, but she'll work. Every once in a while you like doing a job that kind of goes a little smooth. And there we go. So like I said, sometimes you get some jobs that are easy. This one wasn't too bad. And so we got the new filler neck in. So hopefully there's no more gas coming out. And hopefully down the road here we're going to do some more work on this thing. You know, it's got some rust underneath it and everything. When he first got this thing, he had like 80,000 miles on it when he bought it. It runs out really good. And so we'll see how it goes. Hopefully this takes care of the problem. And I'll see you down the road.